entire part of this Ghana Nkommo Ghana chia but the muye bribia da catch. Don't forget the pledge to, you know, truthful to Ghana, be honest to Ghana. So help us God. But Emma if say won't be bia obeka be important. Won you be e koso e wo potema enkoyi e wo adwuma enkoyi e wo asore e baby bia be hu say nipa bi a hia o madwere pon o mususuye no ene Ghana nhihye ene Ghana mrabo abura mesrew. If you see something, continue to say something. So help me God. Emma if say you have to be a proud Ghanaian and continue to exhibit the qualities of patriotism and love. Baby ane ha. You know, Ghana na nyamiensa na kwa emienu one Ghana. Eti bribia da no adwene a wususu ne de ohyehyehye bia no, it should be positive, it should be encouraging, it should really inspire. Titru emabunu no age bracket 1840 no na wona timi hu se Ghana eye crowd ho to so a wankasa won se ampa okotokro nya de bekawi. Onapai baba men sem de emienu pe. First one the education ministry and the Ghana Education Service. Mr. Minister na so ene say the omodi abatu dwane de no ada mekan say nkurubo ana nada ana trodi yabem about the World Bank 1.2 million. It Mr. Chief of Staff and the President say you need to be interested in the 1.2 million World Bank saga. Bibi koso. In Sembisani Yebibri, from training of IT now to deprived schools and a whole lot of things. And you're also not Deputy Director General in charge of way on your way, not Director General in your way, not way in your way. Mr. President, so I just afford then here can also you and here. Mr. The Ghana Education Service and the Ministry of Education, there's a problem there. There's a big problem there. And Sakwana 1.2, there's a big problem there. And as if him now home to pass it, especially the Ghana Education Service, Director General. You bet me a dear and Professor Badwam quite much rock at Abasa Modiakos in a Munimushi, Minister Munimush Bibi, and another minister say with deputy him and a wound him. That's a shame to the ministry and the service. Chief of Staff, Mr. President, Mr. Education, yeah, BSS, Tutuna JJ Musa. A teacher for Namuno or money bra breno. Yes, I bet to JJ Musa. Mesre say yemma yenin kosa so and Dr. Juchum oh ya drink kakra. I don't know but I said na Ghana for no you know ba no nyoma nyina a classroom at the children as for it's not good. And nyoma be break to see under your watch. You need to sit up as a minister for education. Professor Pokwa Bankwa, you need to sit up as the Director General of the Ghana Education Service. A teacher for when the whole thing is going on, Obi Ankasa. A baby from Batunium crowd onatre. You know, young teacher Ghana to say, hey, Yankasi, Juma, President Bobra. If you solve the problems and the challenges of this country as your own problem, Ubo Sampa Ubunya solution. It ain't free, sir, kind of solution. Now, MY, Meresanti, MY, Bissine. We need to solve our problems. We have the solutions to our problems. We need to solve them. Bio school feeding secretariat muntie say na mo da musumu ne yebekwa ye ko kan na PRS enim boarding bar maame ko shiga obo so betua ka no base you know we are always settling for mediocrity and giving excuses as if say ya ye bibi obi nya bi da. Only in Ghana na adwuma bi abaye bia no edi 2 years 3 years 4 years 5 years 6 years na almost aka church only the effort we are putting in to get you paid that. Hey, what's happening? And we are fighting corruption and dishonesty. It will never happen. People are dishonest because the system is giving them room to be dishonest. People are untruthful because system is untruthful. Let's change what we call hard they are no you know. It's like fighting that ghost names. 1992 basically there. Ghost names are fighting egusuan increase. What system are we operating? So let's give hope to ourselves, let's be truthful to ourselves, and let's always pledge to be proud Ghanaians. If you want to be a proud Ghanaian, patriotism, truthfulness, honesty, and love for your country, very key. We don't mind any community. But we see, Debbie.